Prime Minister receives International Nation Builders Award in the US, calls for greater investments in the economy, and hands over 50 new garbage trucks to the NSWMA. This is Jamaica House Weekly, and I'm Vanessa Silvera.
With the arrival of these 50 trucks, I am advised that the total fleet now stands at 129 garbage trucks.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness started December with the highly anticipated delivery of 50 new garbage trucks to the National Solid Waste Management Authority, the NSWMA. They were presented during a ceremony held at the National Heroes Park in Kingston on December 1. Mr. Holness says the 50 new trucks, valued at approximately $6.9 million, are being distributed across the island to improve the increasing demand for garbage collection. 12
will be sent to Western Parks and Markets, WPM, Waste Management Limited. And this will cover the parishes of Trelawney, Hanover, St. James, and Westmoreland. 10 will be sent to MPM, that's Metropolitan Parks and Markets, Waste Management Limited, and that will cover Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and St. Thomas. 10 will be sent to Southern Parks and Markets, Waste Management Limited, and that will cover Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth. 10 will be sent to the Northeastern Parks and Market, Waste Management Limited. That will cover St. Anne, St. Mary, and Portland. And 8 will form part of a roving team dubbed Operation Sweep.
After handing over the trucks on Thursday, the Prime Minister flew to Las Vegas, Nevada, where he attended the National Black Caucus State Legislators 2022 Annual Awards Ceremony. There, he was conferred with the 2022 David P. Richardson Jr. International Nation Builders Award, joining the ranks of previous awardees, including former Presidents Bill Clinton and Barack Obama, as well as Vice President Kamala Harris. The Congressional Black Caucus is made up mostly of African American members of the United States Congress who work together to ensure that African Americans, as well as other marginalized communities in the United States, can achieve economic and social empowerment.
This is a good and exciting time to invest in Jamaica.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness making an appeal to potential investors at the Invest Jamaica 2022 Business Conference in Montego Bay last Tuesday. He asserted that the country was making a remarkable economic recovery from COVID-19, creating many untapped opportunities on which investors may capitalize.
So if you are considering investing in Jamaica, you can rest assured that across administrations, regardless of changes in government, the political economy of Jamaica has changed its DNA to a state, to a country that believes in strong fiscal management of our economic affairs.
The Prime Minister said the goal was for Jamaica to be among the top 10 countries to invest, with the government making continued improvements to public bureaucracy and ensuring that the society becomes one of the most technologically advanced in the region.
We have put together a plan to build out our broadband infrastructure in Jamaica. We call this the National Broadband Initiative. And the objective is to ensure that everyone in Jamaica has access to reliable, fast, and consistent broadband, but more importantly, that all our businesses have access to broadband connectivity. And I can tell you that we are far advanced in this.
Last week, Prime Minister Holness toured the State of Public Emergency SOE checkpoint near the Mountain View Police Station in Kingston. There, he said government was contemplating the declaration of another SOE as part of ongoing efforts to curb criminal activity.
It is well within our constitution so to do. to make a declaration under new circumstances and with new advice. We are watching the situation very carefully to see whether or not there are any adverse changes as a result of the SOE coming to an end.
The SOEs, which were in effect in several parishes and police divisions island-wide, expired at midnight, November 29. They were declared in Clarendon, St. Catherine, St. James, Westmoreland, Hanover, as well as specified areas in Kingston and St. Andrew. Mr. Holness said the SOEs have been effective, with proven results in enhancing public safety and security. Finally, on Wednesday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness met with His Grace Abuna Thaddeus, Archbishop of the Ethiopian Orthodox Church in the Caribbean and Latin America. The Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church is one of the world's oldest Christian churches. The church in Jamaica was established in 1970. In 1978, the church was incorporated by an Act of Parliament. Around the same time, ground was broken for the first substantial building at 89 Maxfield Avenue, the headquarters of the church in Jamaica. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us next time for more of the stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister. I'm Vanessa Silvera. Walk good.